This is the part where pandemic stood between me and my goals. I see you're new here, so go watch our previous video first and then come back here. And if you're new here, we are 2.5 Maharashtrians. I'm one Maharashtrian. The other half is behind the camera. Please say hi, Rasika.
Hi.
And the half Maharashtrian is as usual sleeping on his bed. The thing about this story is, it happens. It happens. Okay? So no one had control. No one knew that we were going to get a pandemic here, right? So the thing is, up till now, we have applied to almost all of the universities. मतलब जो भी जसे पण माझे कामाचे होते, I have applied there and was just waiting for their approval or basically whatever their results were or whatever their response were. On 17th April, I got a response from Hertfordshire. So before pandemic, माझ्या already सगळ्या apply करून झाल्या होत्या universitiesला and I was just waiting for the responses from the universities, which hardly takes around 1 or 1.5 months. Then the pandemic hit us. Okay, no one knew that it was going to hit us so bad. Pandemic hit us and the usual 45 days time extended up to 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. And in April, I got a mail from the university that okay, Kaustubh, we have made you an offer, but it's conditional. So I need an unconditional offer to apply for my further procedures. And it was conditional. Conditions were very simple, that you need to give us a few documents and we will process it. If you are applying to an university, this is the ideal timeline that universities usually follow. This is how it goes. So you apply to the university 1.5 months or 2 months down the line, then they send you a rejection letter or a conditional offer letter. You satisfy their conditions, you submit the documents, then they give you a CAS letter, and when you receive a CAS you can apply for your visa, and finally when you get your visa you can move out to the country wherever you are going. Now the pandemic hit us and this is how my timeline changed. Editor, please put a timeline again above the original timeline. Applied to the university for 1.5 months, 2 months, no response, 3 months, no response. 4th month, 17th April, I got the offer letter, conditional offer letter. I had to satisfy few conditions. So I moved on to satisfying the conditions, gave basic documents which was required in the conditions, and paid the basic, one condition was that I had to pay the basic fees, first installment of my tuition fees, paid that, and now I should have received an unconditional offer after I have satisfied all the conditions. Thing is, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, no reply. In September, my college was starting on 21st September, and in September I got the first response that okay, now you have unconditional offer. Now you have unconditional offer. You have few days to begin your process again. Unconditional offer, CAS number, then visa. So whole thing which was supposed to get over around June, July or August maximum started in September. That was the difference between original timeline and pandemic timeline. That's what happened. Finally in September, before 1 week before when my college was about to start, I got my CAS, and after my college started I got my visa. And that is how the timeline went. You can see the difference. You can say it's okay, it's done. It's not about the timeline, it's about things getting done. It was done, but thing is, it took so long that our anxiety levels were going little bit higher and higher and higher. Not we are anxious people, but they were going higher because the timeline was getting extended. My college was getting started. I was worried that okay, माझं काही मिस नाही झालं पाहिजे. That was the main concern. And the reason why I got my CAS late was the person who was handing over the CAS letters in India was on basic, I don't know the reason, but was not there in the office for 14 to 15 days. And again, which the thing that should have happened within a day or two or within a week took 2 weeks to 3 weeks. So thing got delayed. As soon as I received my CAS, I applied for the visa interview. I was not sure though that my visa will get approved or rejected because of my profile. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video. So go watch our previous.
हेयर बैंड में घाला तुला घालायचं
नहीं उस पे कोरोना है. And if you are new here पासूनच.
अरे पाहिजे
Okay. Short part, cut it out, Rasika. Safety first. Those of you who don't know, गेला का माझ्या डोक्यावरती.
नाही
Okay.
की आता
Those of you. Brackets.
कर्ली ब्रॅकेट्स